Welcome back. The tr command is a useful Unix utility that stands for translate. It is used to replace or delete characters in a given input stream. In this video, we will cover few tr options which is mentioned here. Let us see the basic syntax of tr, and here you can see set1 represents the characters to be replaced and set2 represent the replacement characters. If set2 is not provided, characters specified in set1 will be deleted. Let us see the basic character replacement now. So as you can see on the screen, we are going to replace a small l with capital L. So let us see that on the terminal. So I'm going to echo hello world, and all the small l will be replaced with capital L, or all the lower cases l will be replaced with capital L. And you can see all lower l's are replaced with capital L. Let us see the first option, that is -c, that is for complementing character sets. So I have another example here, and you can see we have ABC123, and we are going to complement all the digits. So apart from 0 to 9, it will replace all the characters with X. So let's run. And you can see apart from 0 to 9, it replaced all the other characters with X. Next is -d for deleting the characters. So let us see that with one example. So here we are going to delete all the lowercase l, or all the L we are going to delete from this string. And you can see it has been removed from the string. Now the same command you can run on top of a file as well. So we have one file, that is file.txt, and in this file we have the same string. So let us try to remove this string from the file output. So remember, when you use this command on top of file, it is not going to delete from the actual file, but it is going to delete what you are going to see on the screen. So let us run tr-d, and we want to delete l, and we are going to give the file.txt as an input, and you can see all the l from this string has been deleted. You can use one more option, that is pipe symbol. So you can get this file and you can use pipe, and on top of that you can run tr-d and remove all the l, and you'll get the same result. Next is -s, and this option will squeeze repeated characters. So let us see this with one example. So here we have an example, and between hello and world we have multiple spaces. So this command will squeeze repeated spaces into a single space, and you can see all those repeated spaces has been removed from the output. Similarly, if you would have used it for L, it is going to remove the repeated L which we had in our hello world. Let us see some additional usage for tr. So first is case conversion, and we are going to change the lowercase characters and will replace it with uppercase characters. So let us see with example. So here we have hello world, and this is the range for all the lowercase characters, and this will be replaced by all the uppercase characters range. So let us see what is the output. You can see all the lower cases have been replaced with upper cases. You can also use lower set and the upper set. So for that you'll have to use lower and upper set like this, and it should do the same which we have seen earlier in this example. Similarly, you can use more sets like the upper and lower. So here we have a list of sequences which can be used for different requirements. So first one is for all letters and digits. Second one is alpha characters for all letters. third one is blank for horizontal white spaces, and so forth and so on. So let us see one more example to delete punctuation characters from the string. And here we have hello world again, and we are going to delete using -d all the punctuation characters from this string. And you can see comma and full stop are deleted from this string. Now let us translate new lines. So you can see we have /n for the new line, and we are going to replace new lines with some other character. So let us see. So here we have another file, that is file2.txt, and we have different words which is separated by new line character. So we are going to replace new line character with a space so that these words can be separated by space instead of new line. So for that you can use tr like this, and here we are going to get the file, and on top of that we are going to use tr, and we are going to replace all the new lines with space. And you can see now the output is in one line and separated by space character. You can also count word using tr. So let us see that with one example. So here we are going to count the number of words in this string, and you can see we have 5 words. And the logic we are using here is we are going to squeeze all the repeated spaces first, and we'll replace it with the new line character. And once this is done, we are going to count the number of lines, so which will translate to number of words. So let us run this without wc -l. And now you can see we have different words separated by new line character, and we are going to count this using wc -l. So the result is 5. It means the number of words we have in the string is 5. That's it for this video. We have covered different options for tr and explored some interesting usage of it. Don't forget to check out my channel for more such interesting videos. So right now I am covering all different Linux commands, you can see, so that we can write shell scripts after this one. And in the past I have covered different topics related to WebLogic, SOA, OSB, installation, configuration, troubleshooting, OHS, etc. So you can check all those videos on my channel. If you found this video helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for the further notification. And don't forget to leave a comment so that I can come up with different topics for you. Thank you.